Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to fix if you can change account type on TikTok. If TikTok won't let you change your account type, try these fixes. So check which account type you have. TikTok currently supports personal and business accounts. The older creator account type has largely been merged into personal accounts on many versions of the app. So to check, open TikTok and go to Profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three-line menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account and tap on Account. Then in here, if you see Switch to Business Account, you have a personal account. If it says Switch to Personal Account, you have a business account. So tap Switch to Business Account. Now, if you don't see it, verify your business first. So tap on Business Verification and just follow the following prompts. Then once that's done, so select the category that best describes your TikTok account. And that's it. So you can switch back to a personal account at any time by selecting switch to personal account, but you will lose access to all TikTok business account features. Another thing you can do if that didn't work, you need to update the TikTok app. So you can go to Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and update the app to the latest version. Next, you can also clear TikTok cache. To go back to TikTok and go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and look for free app space and tap on clear. Tap on clear again to clear cache. You can also clear downloads and drafts. And that's basically it.